Hi guys, so I will be lagging on my shorts because I'm going to be posting these videos, but this video is mostly like a room, and then I did those little tower parts. I forgot to record, well, I did record that, but something happened to the recording, and I accidentally deleted the cube that was used as like my platform. So, yeah, that's why I had to delete that, because I spent like $300 to $400 today on my bedroom. So, yeah, see ya at the end. Okay, so this is the end of today. Hope y'all like this video. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.